5 years ago, aged 34 and a half, I was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. So every morning I wake up, it's a challenge. Things are debilitating if you tell yourself it's going to be debilitating. I actually use it as a strength. Integrity is my sort of ethos and my makeup really of how I was brought up and realised that it's such a vital part of people's lives. So working with integrity, cleaning with integrity, living with integrity and how we speak is so core. So I thought, you know what, I'll call the company Integrity Cleaner. We actually find these people ourselves. In total we use 106 cleaners, 39 mothers, 9 fathers. And that doesn't just change a mother's life, it actually changes the whole family and household life. See, when I established helping mothers back to work, I really championed it because I believe it's important to give them the opportunity to come back into work.
See, Luke is a wonderful person. He's a great guy. He wanted to make a difference to the community. I was already a big fan of that. And somebody who is driven, positive, wants to make a great impact to the community, I think, again, all the right ingredients. Why wouldn't we work together?
The virus is spreading even faster than the reasonable worst-case scenario of our scientific advisors.
I went from doing quite well to losing everything.
He had the virus and that then stopped his body to absorb the medication as it should. I've never seen someone with Parkinson's be affected with a virus the way Luke was.